Unveiling the mystery. You're my soulmate. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and profound phrase that often pops up in English conversations, literature, and movies. You're my soulmate. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into English-speaking culture's views on relationships and connections. So, let's explore what it means to call someone your soulmate. The term soulmate is a combination of two words, soul and mate. Soul refers to the spiritual or immaterial part of a human being or animal, often considered immortal. Mate implies a partner, typically in a romantic or marital context. Therefore, when combined, soulmate describes a person with whom one has a deep and natural affinity, love, intimacy, and compatibility. When someone says, "You're my soulmate," they're expressing a profound emotional connection. It signifies that the speaker feels a deep, almost spiritual bond with the person, suggesting that their relationship transcends ordinary connections. It implies a level of understanding, harmony, and compatibility that is rare and precious. The concept of soulmates is not unique to English-speaking cultures. It is a universal theme found across many societies and religions. However, in English, it has a particularly romantic connotation, often associated with the idea of perfect partners destined to be together. Movies, books, and songs in English frequently explore the idea of soulmates, making it a significant part of popular culture. Using the word soulmate should be done with care, as it carries a strong emotional weight. It's most appropriate in intimate, personal conversations, especially when discussing relationships or expressing deep affection. Saying someone is your soulmate in English can be one of the highest compliments, reflecting a deep bond and admiration. We hope this exploration of the phrase, "You're my soulmate," has been enlightening. Remember, language is not just about words but the emotions and connections they convey. Whether you're navigating English-speaking cultures or enriching your personal relationships, understanding such profound expressions can deeply enhance your communication. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing more insights into the beautiful world of English language learning.